Well, look, the day that we have finally been waiting for is here. It's now possible to use your DirecTV subscription to stream live television using a streaming box. It's available now for Apple TV, and it's coming for other streaming boxes and smart TV OSs. Depending on when you watch this video, that may have already happened. But before I show you the experience, there's something I want to explain. This is a streaming connection. You're getting all of your TV from DirecTV's servers when you use this. You're not getting it from your own satellite TV. So there are going to be some channels that you aren't going to get. They have to be available nationally. They have to be on DirecTV's servers in order for you to get them. So you're essentially taking the DirecTV streaming product and just filtering out only the channels you have in your DirecTV satellite subscription and presenting that. It's not a bad bet. And after I show you the walkthrough, I'll explain why. When you search for DirecTV in the Apple TV App Store, you're going to see these two. You want this one. I know it says Stream. I get that. And I know it says DirecTV Stream, Stream Supreme. If you look in the What's New, you're going to see that it says DirecTV Satellite Customers. This is the one you want. This is absolutely the app you're looking for. I understand they're going to have to change the language at some point, but this is what you want. Go ahead and download it. This part is sped up a little bit so you don't have to wait. And when you open the app, it is going to open to a black screen. You're going to get this ask not to track, which you have to do one way or the other. You do have to allow the app to use your location while it's using. Otherwise, it just doesn't work. This is what it looks like when it launches. It's going to ask you to use your DirecTV subscription. I know it says DirecTV Stream, but it works, trust me. As you can see, it launches. You get this, which you can have live game scores or not. That's completely up to you. And this is live TV. Just that simple. You're now watching live TV. It's all streaming. Simple as that. If you press the menu button, you're going to get this. It's going to give you access. You can get to your DVR recordings. Don't judge me for what's there. I want to show you this, however. If a recording was made on a channel that doesn't stream, you're going to get this, and it's going to say unavailable on this device. This is normal. You should be able to play pretty much anything recorded on a national channel, however. You're going to spend a lot of time pressing that menu button because it will get you from place to place. Now let's take a look at the guide. The first time you click on guide, you're going to get a pop-up that asks you how you want to sort it. That's just the first time, and you can change it later if you don't like it. The guide is not too different from the regular DirecTV satellite guide. Shows you just a half an hour more at the bottom, but that's about it. You can set up stuff to record, and it will record to your satellite TV DVR as long as you're properly networked. You can have the same options that you have when you're setting it to record on your regular TV. Try to do this about 5 minutes ahead of time because it does take some time for that to come up. And then keep pressing the menu button to go where you want to go. You can search. I'm going to show you a little bit about the settings. Just like DirecTV clients, there are settings below what you can see. If you don't see what you're looking for, keep going down until you see what you're looking for. I don't know why they do that. That's just kind of how they do it. So look, this isn't exactly what we've all been waiting for. It's not the Genie client available in app form, because I think that's what we all want, and I'm willing to bet that DirecTV is going to move in that direction. After all, Comcast does it that way, and Spectrum does it that way. It saves on hardware, makes it easy for people to use their own equipment, which is honestly what they want anyway. But it's still worth doing, and I'll tell you why. It's completely free. It doesn't cost you anything to do it. You've already got the streaming box. And so why not? Why wouldn't you do it? It's great for a guest room, for example, where you wouldn't think to spend that money on a DirecTV receiver that's just going to sit there most of the time, but it's great for your guests so they can enjoy live TV. You can watch your DVR stuff on it, most of it, not all of it. And in the end, it's a good experience. I mean, the app is tight and it works well. So I think in the future, it's going to be great when we have that full Genie client experience that's using your own satellite connection. But until that happens, this is a pretty good thing, especially considering it doesn't cost anything. Meantime, if you want to upgrade your DirecTV experience, or you want to get the same tools, the same products that the technicians use on their trucks, shop solidsignal.com. Or if you have any questions, call 888-233-7563.